Hello viewers, welcome to Tradabulls. So finally Nifty closed below 25,800 mark. So yesterday it was closed above that 25,800. So banks yesterday and today both days it was closed below 53,000 mark, and IT closed above 42,400 mark. So coming to all final calls from the Tradabulls application, Nifty was indicating bearish call and Bank Nifty also indicating bearish call. IT bullish call, Fin Nifty bearish call, mid cap bullish, and Reliance bearish plus. So Reliance yesterday and today both days it was fallen more than 4%. So yesterday about minus 3.2% and today another 0.8%. So together minus 4% since last 2 days. So both intraday, weekly and monthly all are indicating downward momentum. So coming to major data points for Nifty. So monthly levels, new levels arrived. So 25,907 was today's high and 25,739 was low. So 25,900, so 25,951 and 25,695. So none of the values touched today. So 25,695 would be the next probable number. And coming to weekly data, 25,925 to 25,835 was the major support for this week. So yesterday and today both days it was closed below 25,835 mark. And today it's closed below 25,800 mark also. So here as per weekly, the next probable numbers 25,743. So exactly today it took support at 25,007. Low created 25,739. So 25,743. And coming to weekly major data points, so 25,950 or 25,700. So the next probable number, it is indicating somewhere 25,700. Even last month, monthly candle also, it has huge resistance at 25,700. So when it breaks and closes above that one, so 25,700 was acted as huge support. Even this month also, it is indicating 25,700 is going to be the major support for this month also. So if it breaks, then 25,500 would be the next target. And Bank Nifty, so both yesterday and today, both days it was closed below 53,000 mark. And the important levels, what it is indicating, 52,902. 52,902 is 61.8% of last month's range. So today and yesterday, both days it took some support at 52,900 level. So as long as it holds, Bank Nifty also would be on strong positive note as per monthly's data. But if it closes below, then it may reach 51,930 level, another 1,000 points. And as per weekly support, 53,550, 560 to 565 to 560 level. So both yesterday and today it was closed below that one. And the main 25 data points of weekly, the lowest point is indicating at 53,011, and both days it was closed below that one. So based on these data points, so weekly candle was indicating somewhat oversold, and as long as it holds below 53,000, so it may retest 52,500 or 52,000 mark. So 52,418 is 50% of last month's range, and if it breaks 51,935 would be the 38.2% of last month's range. So coming to IT, so IT, it was closed above 42,434. In terms of percentage, it's more than 1% today, and points wise around 500 points. And 42,434, which was 38.2% of last month's range. So as long as it holds 38.2%, so we may expect some bullish move. So the next probable number would be 42,870 level, which is 61.8% of last month's range. So Nifty, Bank Nifty closed above 61.8% and IT was closed above 38.2% of last month's range. And as per Nifty, 25,800, so 25,695, somewhere 25,700 is indicating 61.8. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty closed above 61.8% of last month's range, and IT was closed above 38.2% of last month's range. Sentiment wise, so today 29 out of 50 are negative and 20 out of 50 are positive. So major downside contributors: Reliance, HDFC Bank, HUL, L&T, and the positive side Infosys, M&M, SBI and Kotak. So from last 2 days data, so 36 out of 50 are negative and 14 out of 50 are positive. So majorly Reliance, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Bharti Airtel, L&T, ITC are the major downside. So among all, Reliance was contributed negative side more than 100 points. So out of 400 points negative. So net to net, Nifty was lost by 382 points since last 2 days, which is equal to 1.5%. And banks, IndusInd Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank downside, and Kotak Bank, SBI, ICICI Bank are in upside. So flat close, just 55 points down compared to yesterday's closing. Whereas last 2 days, it was more than 900 points lost. So in terms of percentage, since last 2 days, it was down by 1.7%. So majorly with ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank. So more than 100 to 300 points. So from all these 4 banks. IT, so IT 10 out of 10 are in positive side. So Infosys, TechM, HCL Tech. So Infosys and TechM are more than 120 to 180 points contribution. So on weekly note, so TCS still it was in downside. So remaining Infosys, TCS both are in negative side contribution as per last 2 days data. So LTI Mindtree was major contributor from positive side. So 55 points, and Coforge also contributed 50 points. So overall, last 2 days, banks were in down and IT was in upside. So coming to top 10s, so for Nifty 50, if we consider top 10 heavyweights, so 5 were in down, 3 are in upside and 2 are in neutral. So the downside, HDFC Bank, Reliance, L&T, Bharti Airtel and Axis Bank, and upside Infosys, TCS and SBI. And as per last 2 days data, 7 out of 10 are in downside, 3 are in neutral, so no positive. So majorly HDFC Bank, Reliance, ICICI Bank, ITC, L&T, Bharti Airtel and Axis Bank are in downside. So coming to Bank Nifty top 10s. So top 10 heavyweights, 5 out of 10 are in downside as per intraday, and even weekly also 5 out of 10 are in downside. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, PNB are in downside, and no upside for both Nifty and Bank Nifty top 10 heavyweights. So positive, no positivity. So neutral, Kotak, SBI, Bank of Baroda, AU Bank and IDFC First Bank. So coming to IT, so IT 8 out of 10 were closed on positive note. So 2 were in neutral. So the 2 are also Emphasis and LTTS. And as per last 2 days data, 5 out of 10 are in neutral and 3 were in upside. So downside only 2, Emphasis and LTTS. So coming to heat maps, Nifty was major improvement from Tech Mahindra, M&M, Britannia, Adani Enterprise and Infosys. So more than 1.5% to 3% up. And downside, Bajaj Auto, Asian Paint, ONGC and IndusInd Bank. So more than 1.5% to 2.5%. So that's all about today's analysis. So majorly Nifty has huge support at 25,695 level, which is 25,700 mark. So Nifty, Bank Nifty closed above 61.8% of last month's Fibonacci retracement and extension level, and IT also closed above 38.2% of last month's range. So we may expect some more negativity on bank side, little bit negativity. So finally, Nifty has strong support at 25,700 level. So that's all about today's analysis. So we'll meet on Thursday's analysis. Thank you so much.